Hi, Rajnish Pandasot. How are you all? First of all, thank you very much for your fantastic acceptance of my previous videos, which motivated me to give you more informations. Today, we are going to discuss a very particular and interesting topic on life. So, why life? Because we all live, but we never think much about life. The elevated thinkers, whom we call philosophers, they have tried to give many explanations, theories, and hypotheses on life, but no one is complete. Every theory, every hypothesis leave behind some queries which is unanswered. So, I too, as a person, have been traveling through the visions, thoughts, and theories of my favorite philosophers, and I have made some conclusions about life. That's what I'm sharing with you. There are many theories, so I'll be giving you in installments, like in small topics, we will discuss about this. So, the first thing I'm going to share you is that life is nothing but a game. But it's a very serious game. Life is a game, but it's a very serious game. And you will win only if you know the rules of the game. So, we need to know the rules. And for the rules, first of all, let us see the basic principles of life. It is nothing but three crises one has to undergo in his lifespan. There are three crises we have to undergo in our lifespan, and how we are dealing with that three crises, which is like an entrance test of our life. The first crisis is the identity crisis, which comes in the age of 18 to 22. In this age, we have a problem called anxiety about our future. That every person in this lifespan will have a doubt, and what will be my future? What will I become in my life? Will I become a doctor? Will I be an engineer? And which is good for me? Whom I will marry? And how I am going to lead the rest of my life? These kind of doubts will enter into our brain, our thoughts, and this is known as identity crisis. Then we live our life, we educate ourselves, we get a job, we get married, we give birth to children, and we enter into the age of 40 to 45. In that age, we have a stage called reality crisis. See, we had a doubt at the age of 1822, what is identity crisis, and all the doubts are now answered now. At the age of 40, 45, we are very clear what we are. Are we a doctor? Are we an engineer? Or are we a businessman? We know what's our profession. We know our life partner, who is our life partner. We know our children. And of course, at the age of 1822, we might have many dreams about our life. Some dreams is fulfilled, some dreams are remain unfulfilled, and we understand and accept it that this is what it is. Because we cannot go back to the age of 1822, repair our mistakes, and again live our life. No, that is known as a reality crisis. So, in the 40 45 years of age, and when we enter into that age, when we leave again, what we do is that we use our wisdom, we use our knowledge, we use our experience to explore our best potentials to be successful in life. We live again and we enter into the age of around 65 to 70 years. We have the third crisis called mortality crisis. That is known as we know that we are about to die because we cannot live more. No, we cannot live more. So 65 to 70 years we are actually waiting for our death. So we have an anxiety. What will happen to me when I die? Will I have a rebirth? Will I go to heaven? Will I go to hell? So these kind of spiritual questions will enter into our mind. So the life, how we are going to experience our life, or how we are going to look at our life, is very clear. The formula is very simple. We need to understand only one basic fact is that our life success or happiness is dependent upon how we are reacting to our experience in life. Your attitude, your vision, the way you look at things determines your success and happiness. So these three stages, and you decide in which stage you are in. Understand that stage, accept that stage, and understand your wisdom, experiences. Try to explore it and try to live happiness. Happiness is a choice. Signing out, Rajanesh.